There's another important update, viewers, that we are getting for you at this point in time. The Indian Medical Association National President has arrived at the Health Ministry in the national capital to have a meeting with Union Minister JP Nadda. Akanksha is now joining us on the broadcast. More on this, Akanksha. Yesterday only the Indian Medical Association had written to JP Nadda, the Union Health Minister, expressing shock and also demanding action in this case. What more can you tell us about this meeting?
Well, absolutely. Day before yesterday, Indian Medical Association had given a 48-hour ultimatum to the central as well as state government, asking them to take action. Now, today, the IMA president as well as the secretary met with the Union Health Minister. They're going to put forth their demands. The main demand is, in fact, is the central law for the safety of doctors, the hospitals to be declared as a safe zone, and also, as far as the entire case is concerned, they want a detailed investigation into this case. And after this meeting gets over, in fact, they're going to go to West Bengal and meet Mamata Banerjee there as well. And tomorrow in the morning, they're going to meet the resident doctors at RG Kar Hospital and also the authorities, and will seek report from them. But it appears that the central government is also looking into this issue. They are quite serious about it, and hence JP Nadda, Union Health Minister, had given time to the Indian Medical Association. We asked Indian Medical Association whether they will go ahead with a nationwide protest, because they had said that if the demands are not met, then they will go ahead with the protest. But they said that the entire medical fraternity, in fact, comes under them, and going ahead with this would be a big step. So before that, they want to meet the Union Health Minister and put forth these demands, take assurance from him, then go to West Bengal and take assurance from the West Bengal Chief Minister as well. So it remains to be seen what really comes out of this meeting.